Stop by and take a look at the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, universal garage door opener, leather shift knob. Come see the car for yourself.